Shvangi. Welcome back to our channel. So you can clearly see that I got a new haircut and I will be leaving for my hometown soon. We're finally going after 2 years, like since the first lockdown happened. We were waiting to get fully vaccinated to actually travel. So I thought that before I leave, I'll show you a quick tutorial with Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. This is the eye makeup tutorial which I'm going to create with this palette. This palette is not new. I actually bought it way before it got launched on Nykaa. That's why it's all scratchy and you can see that, it is used. I'm actually really happy that Morphe got launched in India. Now I can finally show you tutorials with Morphe palettes. Also, I decided to keep this particular look Indian because Ganpati is right around the corner. I'm so excited I'm going to be home during Ganpati. But yeah, that's why I just thought that I'll do an Indian festive look with this palette. Before I begin this tutorial, here is a quick reference of how this makeup looks in natural daylight. I record my tutorials in my studio with studio lighting. That's something which I cannot help, but I thought in this particular video I'll include this reference. So I don't have any artificial lighting whatsoever right now around me, and yeah, this is how this makeup looks like. Now that this is done, let's begin the tutorial. First, I'm going to take this shade from the palette and this I'll apply all over my crease. Next, I'll take this dark brown shade from the palette and this as well I will apply on my crease below the transition shade. I know it's looking a little scary right now and not so blended, but it will all come together. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade from the palette and this I'll apply on the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. Once this is done, I'm going to take this bronze shimmery shade from the palette and this I'll apply on the center of the eyelid. I'll first try this with a dry brush. So the pigmentation of this palette is so strong that you can actually use the shimmery shade with just the dry brush as well. But it definitely gets better when you use a wet brush. So now I'm going to wet my brush with a little bit of setting spray. It clearly makes a lot of difference. All I'm saying is that if you're not comfortable using a wet brush, you can actually use your fingers or even with a dry brush, you can apply these shades. They're still going to look good. Now to elevate this look a bit more, I am going to take this golden shade from the palette and with my ring finger I'm going to place it right on the center of my eyelid. Just this much. You see how nice and foiled these shimmery shades are. I love this palette. It's a beautiful palette. Alright, now it's time to clean up this look. To clean this look up, first I'm going to take this dark shade from the palette and I'll apply it on the outer and inner corner again, lightly blending it with the shimmery color. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to take this shade which we applied on our crease and I'm going to apply it one more time on my crease. I'm moving my brush in a circular motion to blend everything together nicely. Just thought I'll give you a closer look of the eyelid. This is how it is looking like at this point of time. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm planning to put in a bit of color. I'm going to take this color first from the palette and apply it on my lower lash line halfway through. So this color is looking very pretty, but I'm going to top it up with this color, basically mix these two colors. This is done, but I'm blending it a little bit. So with that final step, the eye look is complete. Now we'll give the finishing touches to this look. First, I'm going to apply a nude kajal pencil on my waterline. I'm using PAC Kohl pencil in the shade Skin. Next, I'm going to use an eyeliner. I'm using NYX Epic Ink Liner. Alright, so I created a wing liner on both my eyelids with this eyeliner, and I know that my waterline is looking a little scary right now, but I'll finish up this eye look. I just wanted to use a different, kajal pencil on my waterline. I mostly use black, but let's see. Let's first finish up this look. If it doesn't look nice, then we'll change it. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette, and I'll highlight the inner corners of my eyes with this shade. Next, before putting on the false lashes, I'll apply one coat of mascara. I'll use Super Fan Mascara from Smashbox. Now I'm going to go wear some falsies and then come back. The false lashes are on. As always, you'll find the details in the description box below. Next, for blush, I'll use Colorbar Sweet Scarlet Blush. For highlighter, I'll use K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. And lastly, for my lips, I'll use Morphe Mega Matte Lipstick in the shade Single AF. To set everything in place, I'll use Smashbox Primer Water. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching the tutorial. Now, when it comes to this palette, trust me when I say this, you really cannot go wrong with this one. It is a beautiful palette, guys. I haven't tried the volume 2 yet. I'm hoping to try it out in the future. But when it comes to Jaclyn Hill volume 1 palette, I can vouch for its quality, its pigmentation, its blendability. Everything is on point. It's completely up to you if you want to get it or not, but I would highly recommend it, is all that I can say. And with that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please consider subscribing to our channels. We've got this channel where I post beauty content, and we've got another channel where we post daily vlogs. I'm going to leave the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Also, maybe you can follow me on Instagram. I post some makeup related content and video updates there. So you can go through the links, and if you do like what you see, then please consider following and subscribing. That's it from me for today. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye. Mwah.